Hi, I'm Tyler, and this is my kind of introductory video to this Sonnet I just picked up for a parts car, and I'm sharing this here to some of the Saab groups to see if there's any interest in parts in the car. First of all, let's go here to the VIN. Not sure if we can focus in on that. 977-4500-1453. Without looking it up, I've been told it's a 74. So let's take a look around. The first most interesting part of this car is that someone took off the pop-up headlights and they attempted a quad light conversion here. So the front end is still pretty tough shape, but maybe someone wants to take that on. How's it going, guys? Hood's pretty crusty. It's got some corners that are messed up, but yeah, that's there as well. Got the front end, no engine, of course. Would be a 1.7. Looks like we got a starter and the electrics here. This car was sitting in the Sonoran Desert for years. Looks like it was, by the tag on the windshield, it was used by a University of Southern California student up until at least 1984. After that, we don't really know. I picked it up in Buckeye, Arizona, and the owner said he got it a few minutes away, so it's been around the Phoenix area for a while. I'm planning on taking the wheels. That's about all that I'm seriously interested in, so let's go around. We get a seat, two seats that look to have good frames, but not necessarily good covering. This air filter is trash. Here are the halogen lights that they were going to put on. They're Sylvania H4651. Interesting note. Car looks reasonably straight to me, but it looks like someone's obviously been trying to modify it. Here's the driver's side door. We've got a door card there. All the glass. I think the only glass issue is the kind of punch in the front in the windshield. This door looks reasonably straight to me. I think there's a little dent in the bottom, except the fiberglass is completely garbage, unless someone wants to put a lot of time and effort into that. Of course, the body here, you can see a big issue behind the driver's door. Otherwise, let's see, not a ton of cracking visible, but to me it looks like it's been repainted at least once. So I think we've got a mesh for this air filter somewhere. Inside, the leather over the gas tank looks, usable if someone wanted to maybe take it. Seat belt, brake. I have the gear knob, but it's pretty trashed. Steering wheel is pretty trashed. Got a gauge cluster. The mileage reads as, where is it? 97672. And of course the headlight pop-up delete. Here we got all the stuff under here. If you're able to look at, check that out. Now, I recently purchased my first Sonnet, a 73 in California Burgundy. Looking to hopefully build that into a stage rally car because I'm really short and I might actually fit it. But haven't gotten to drag into or kind of dig into it yet, so I'm not super familiar with these cars yet. So if you have any questions or requests for me to go check out in this car, please do let me know. I'm just trying to get a view of everything. The glass seems pretty good. Here's the passenger side. Doesn't have the cracking that the driver's side has. Has a locking gas cap with no key. Here's the driver door. I'm going to try to hold this light and also show you what it looks like. There's some issue here cracking by the door handle, and of course the mirrors were going to be swapped out, it looks like. Got mirrors over here. Got some headlights. Was that a Dodge Diplomat or something? Looks like they're trying to repurpose that. Trim pieces here. Are those center caps? Maybe. Some of the reflectors have a little bit of damage, but most of them look okay. Got a door handle and whatever this stuff is, I'm not really sure. Visors, bent up grill, some kind of hose. Let's see. Yeah, let's go around the back here. See if my extension cord reaches. Got taillights that got a little bit of cracking going on, but surely serviceable if you're trying to get one on the road. The bumper's got a little weird thing in the middle, but oh yeah, it's over here too. The exhaust system seems pretty decent, although rusty. I might be taking that trunk floor if no one wants it. Let's look in here. I got the hatch to open, although I had to jiggle it a little bit. Had a bunch of stuff in here. Someone left a cardboard box full of parts in the trunk for a while. So here's the box full of parts. I'm not really sure what's going on in there. If you want me to look at it, I can do that more. Over here, yeah, more of this. The antenna thing. Does anyone even listen to radio in these things? Don't you want to hear the V4? But yeah, that's about it. Let's see, the rockers here, an underbody. So look at that. Rocker's got some issues going on. Big hole. The floor looks relatively decent, actually. Got a little bit of a hole in the corner, but I think that almost looks intentional. I'm not really sure. Haven't dealt with a lot of these before. There you go. Streaks exhaust. Benicia, California. Let's see if we can get that floor for you. Yeah. Probably a California car. And here's, you can see him there. Went to Arizona, but you know, it's a Saab. That doesn't mean it doesn't have rust. So go around. Looks like the suspension, everything is intact. If you're looking for any of that, got a steering rack in here. Get my light to come over, and I get the kind of headers there. There's the driver's side suspension, steering area, Torrent CV boot. Yeah, let's see. Is that thing? Not sure. Yeah, but that's what I've found so far. So do let me know if you're looking for anything here. I really don't have room for this thing. I'm kind of using the whole garage for my truck, so I'd like to get this out as soon as possible. So if someone wants to come pick up the whole thing, I bought it for $300 and I had to move it up here and, you know, spend a considerable amount getting it up to Flagstaff. So trying to make it worth my labor, but I don't want to charge you too much. So let me know what you think about this stuff. Let me know if you need anything, and let's work out a deal. Again, that's a 74 Sonett, and let's get some of these parts out of here, huh? Alright, signing off.